How to enable or disable dim screen while recording in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then we tap on the control button at the bottom. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then in camera settings, we scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on dim screen while recording for video in camera. So tap on it and then choose after 1 minute to turn it on, or after 2 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. Otherwise, you can select off. And then tap on the back key. Then tap on the back key again to go back to your camera. Tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.